So we're back doing our third task with regards to division. So we've done simple division of whole numbers. That's a whole number divided by one number. We have shown you long division, which is whole numbers divided by double digits. And this is our third lesson, that is dividing, in this case, decimal numbers with a decimal point by simple single digit number. So the only thing to remember is as soon as you get ready to cross the decimal point, put it into your answer, and of course know your tables. So this is saying roughly, it's important to approximate to 50 divided by 8. Well, knowing my tables, 8 sevens is 56, 8 sixes are 48, so my answer is going to be around 6 something using approximation. So I go then straight in, 8 into 5 won't go, and then I could say, I could put that there, and I can change that to that, and 8 into 50, well we said 8 sixes are 48, which is 2 over, put in my decimal point, 8 into 24 goes 3 times. The 6 one, so 6 into 34, well I know that 6 sixes are 36, so it's going to be in and around that. So off I go, 6 into 3 won't go, you can carry your 3, 6 fives are 30, so put in my 5 there, that means there's 4 being carried over, put in my decimal point, and 6 eights are 48, so my estimation wasn't bad. This is 48.3 divided by 7, 7 sevens is 49, so my answer is going to be in and around 7. So 7 into 4 won't go, so we'll put in our 0 and carry over the 4, some people do. 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, so the 7 sixes are 42 and 6 carried over, and 7 nines are 63, so our decimal point went in immediately as I carried over the 6, so 6.9, so 7 was my guess. Bit different here, but the same rule applies. As soon as you cross the decimal point, put it into your answer, know your tables. 4 into 9 will go twice, and 1 over, put in your decimal point. 4 into 17, well 4 fours are 16, and 1 carried over, and 4 into 16 goes 4 times. There you go, there's your answer. 7 into 8 will go once, 1 carried over, put in your decimal point to your answer. 7 into 19, well 2 sevens is 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, that's 5 carried over. 7 into 56 is 8 times. There you go, there's your answer. And this is 6 into 3 will not go. So big duck egg there, take the 3, bring it over, but put in your decimal point immediately. 6 into 37, 6 sixes are 36 with 1 carried over, and 6 into 18 goes 3 times. If you're asked to prove that their answer is right, well the answer that we have formulated here means that if you take 8 and multiply it by 6.3, you're going to get 50.4. If you take 6 and multiply it by 5.8, you'll get 34.8. If you have 7 and you multiply it by 6.9, you will also get 48.3. 9.76, so if you multiply 4 by 2.44, you'll get that. If you multiply this by this, you'll get that. If you multiply that by that, you'll get this. Or if you multiply this by this, you'll get that. So it doesn't really matter. So it shows the connection between multiplication and division in sums.